Right. So, as part of our Guidewire developer learning, it's always important as in when we know like about configuration, integration, all that. Because configuration where it can be data model configurations or it can be page configurations, reading configurations, all these will be done. Along with that, even we are into the development, it's important for us to understand about APD as well, which is called Advanced Product Designer, which is basically a business tool which is helpful to design, simulate, and as well as deploy insurance products for any of the customer requirements that we develop. The advantage in this, which enables delivery time to bring products to the market, because what market needs, what market demands, expectations, everything should be aware of us. So, advanced product designer is a collaboration of methodology and as well as dynamic nature, so that using this collaboration methodology and dynamic nature, we can initiate any kind of new lines of businesses with minimum effort. That's where advantages we see in advanced product design. So being a developer, what is that something that we must inculcate? Because page level configurations that anyway that we are aware of, but from the product design point of view, when you see as a developer, whatever the produced code which needs to meet the expectations of the business to the delivery value, that is one as a developer need to understand. At the same time, business and as a developer, we should understand and maintain the balance between the complexity of the work that we are doing. At the same time, the kind of impact it shows on the project, because impacting on the project, which is interconnect with the complexity of the work what we are performing, end of the day, to meet the expectation of the customer requirements, demands, all that, including identifying any complex requirements in place. So, as a developer, when we are working on the advanced product designer, using advanced product designer, addressing and identifying the complex requirements, and maintaining balance between the work what we do followed by the kind of impact it will show on the project is always essentially important to meet with. So finally, using advanced product designer, we can automate uh, the low value and as well as high impact development, which is required to implement any new lines of business in the industry. At the same time, we can focus more on the complexity, at the same time, high value development activities, so that if there is any kind of new product offering that we can design, so we can focus more on that so that we can simplify because of the collaborative methodology APD has. So we can automate with low value. Okay. At the same time, high impact development can be done. So from a developer perspective, understanding the product designer life cycle is essentially important. Apart from configuration knowledge, apart from integration knowledge and all, if there is any new line of businesses that we are entering in, so understanding over this is one of the key and important thing as a developer we must be good with from the APD point of view.